Hey, young man. How are you?
Life is good.
Okay, so we're gonna switch out trailer. That's what they say.
Yeah, mine is fresh and clean inside,
Yeah.
fueled, and I had it pre-crueled at 30, and then he phones me and says we're switching trailers. So
Yeah, well, mine is I'm actually picking up a load. I think it's Saturday, but they cancel it, and then I had to go to truck stop, and then they said Monday, and then I was talking today. I was talking to them right now. They said we have a little run. If you want, you can take it. They said to me, okay, I'll do it. Since the first until now, I don't have any revenue yet. So I have to take the I have to move.
holy crap.
But don't worry, it's okay. I'm just gonna take this down and then
Yeah, I'll switch out.
yeah.
Clean inside.
No, they don't not tell me. Sorry about that. If they only told me, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take down even yours. You're just gonna stay in your truck and I'll do everything.
Okay, because we can't stay here. I found out this is a private lot.
Only Petropas. Why you here? There is a lot of ESO there.
Well, I just pulled in here because it was empty, so I figured I'll just wait.
Oh,
Come
okay.
in here, and then I said, okay, we're gonna switch out.
How long you been here?
A couple 5 hours.
Okay, you just finished delivery?
Yeah, this morning. So I just pulled in here, waiting for a new
Reload.
trip.
Oh, okay.
So, can you clean the inside?
No, I cannot do it because they asked me to hurry up. If they only told me.
Is it dirty? Like, can I clean it up with
No, it's not that dirty. I already cleaned everything in there. It's just a little
dust?
Yeah, dust.
Okay, that's good
Dust
enough.
is okay.
Troubles with it?
Huh? Nope. Everything is good. Everything is perfect.
Well, I've had that trailer for about a month now, and everything's been always good.
Oh, you've been using the trailer in a month?
I left at the beginning of April, and I haven't been back yet.
Oh, okay, that's long.
Yeah,
Is-
I'm going on 28 days.
28 days now? Oh, okay. It's a lot of money.
But I want to go home.
Oh, yeah, everybody want to go up too. Okay.
But like I said, your trailer's good.
Okay. Matagal na rin pala siya sa karsada. Mag 28 days na. Gusto rin naman niya daw umuwi. Siyempre kahit naman sino. Everybody want to go home, of course. We have a family. Na-drop na niya. Copy. Palitan. Parehas kami, sabay kaming atrasan. Sabay kaming mag-atras. Yun, tag-test natin. Okay. Mahirap na at baka mamaya magaya tayo doon sa mga nandun sa flying G na nalaglagan sila ng trailer. On you. So, punong-puno daw ang tree, ano niya. Puno nga, puno. Anong nangyari? White! White! Woo! Woo! Drop your airbag! Why is it? Okay. Is it airbag? Your airbag is dropped? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's pushing in there. It's pushing in there.
Never had that happen before. I'll lift it up a bit, give it a little height.
Okay, yeah. Lift it up a little bit and then I will crank this one. Masyado kasi mababa eh. Bakit ayaw? Ang taas pala ng ano, Peterbilt guys. Nakababa na yung kanyang ano. Holy smoke.
You know what I'm saying? Like what kind of brakes?
Yeah, I know.
Because these brakes aren't working.
Oops.
I'll drop the air and raise the front, so
Yeah, okay.
we're running out of space here. But even if I catch that, at least I'll be able to get under.
Yeah.
I've never had a trailer do that. But
I don't know what's
tells
happened.
me those brakes aren't holding.
Yeah, it's not holding. You're supposed to have to put air first. Because I've been stuck in there for a long time. My truck is not starting, so there didn't have any air.
Okay.
That's what happened. That's why it's won't hold.
Well, let's see if I can get under it
Yeah.
now.
Yeah. Go! Go! There, go! There, pumasok na siya. Okay, good. Back. There. Tagtais. Try to tagtais. Yeah. Don't forget to do the tag test. You never did the tag test. You don't wanna drop that. You're good? Okay. Pipilay-pilay siya kaya tulungan ko na. Okay.
Thanks, man.
Yep.
Be good, be safe.
Yeah,
Where
you
are
too.
Off to?
I'm going to Line Aids. And then after that, my delivery is tomorrow, Tuesday and Wednesday.
And then where?
In here. So one in Mississauga, two is in in Mississauga too.
Okay.
So tomorrow, delivery in Mississauga. Choose Wednesday, another one delivery. Short run but daily.
Good luck.
Alright, okay, thank you. Wala kasing hangin yun kaya hindi nag-hold yung brake niya. Right. Tingnan natin kung malinis talaga. Oh, malinis. Tignan natin dito. Pre-trip natin, Meggy. Ayos. Okay. Zone 1, 0. Okay. Tara guys. Let's go. Pre-trip ko naman. So lilipat na siya guys kasi bawal dito mag-park eh. Okay, so
Going to Truck Husky SO Mississauga, Ontario, close to FJ.
tama na tayo sa ano, pakrudo muna ako. Saan ba yun?
Please drive to highlighted route.
Extra. Pakrudo muna tayo. Hindi naman yata tag-test. Hindi naman yata truck ito eh. Truck ba ito? Yeso rin ito eh. Tap lang sana. Marami pa naman ako dito kasi marami. Ay, marami. Yan muna.
Turn left, then take the first left.
Tara! Tara guys, pipick up natin.
Turn left on Drew Road, then take the first right.
Lakai Tracker.